the real ingredients that make the spirit of mountain biking special and what it is. You know, it's all about a big sense of adventure, which obviously, you know, this landscape and the country has really sort of exposed us to. It's been really, really special.
The bike takes you to places that no car will ever take you, into valleys and up mountains, and it just was incredible.
The landscape is very dramatic. It's really steep and very diverse. For me, that's probably the most special thing, is that the riding, you know, it's 3 days in a fairly confined area, but every day's got its own unique feel to it.
To experience this country that's so close to home and riding like I've never ever done in my entire life.
You either work in downhill or you're concentrating getting up the hill. It's mainly track, but like proper track. It's not a woven district road, and it's not specifically made single track. The concentration has to be high.